Okay, this is Canon high speed and stylish scanner. CanonScan Lide 400 color image scanner. We want to do how to unbox this scanner. So you place the scanner this way and then you open the scanner. When you open the scanner, you have this is the scan. This is the cable. This is the scanner cable that connects the scanner to your laptop or your system. Okay, you have the installation CD. This is the installation CD. Okay, and you have the manual of the scanner to show you how to work with the scanner. Okay, let's bring out the scanner. We brought out the scanner. So this is the scanner. Slim and portable. Covered the nylon. You remove the nylon. Okay, then you remove the tapes. Cover the tapes. Okay. Remove this tape. Remove this tape. So this is the Canon 5400. You open it. Okay, you remove this. So this is about the scanner. This is the scanner. Okay. Thank you for watching.